International School.
Ransford kweku jesi apia. Yankee Ekpa.
All right. So clap. Yes. So Yankee Ekpa and then Ransford appear, Jesse. What are your expectations for this contest?
Christ our banner, nothing but the very best.
Wonderful. All right. That's good. Let's go to Phil Allswell.
Kelvin Aqua.
We can't hear you. Speak through the microphone.
Kelvin Aqua.
Kelvin Aqua, okay.
Stephanie Acha.
Speak through the microphone, please.
Stephanie Acha.
That's good. So, what are your expectations for today?
Nothing but the best.
Nothing but the best. That's wonderful. Yes. And finally, let's go to Peter Piper's learning ways.
Magdalena Efwasam.
Magdalena, okay.
Oliver Nati.
Oliver Nati, good. So what should we expect from you today?
We are here for success.
Here for success. As simple as that. All right. Yes. I am your quiz moderator today, Kweku Tufo Frimpong. And I must remind you that you are going to be taking through 5 solid rounds today, with round 1 comprising of what you call fundamental concepts in STEM. Round 2 will be true or false questions in STEM. And then round 3 will be our head-to-head. Round 4 will be the speed test. And round 5 will be the riddles. I will take time to walk you through the rules in each round. So we begin with the round 1. And with the round 1, as I have indicated earlier, it comprises fundamental concept in STEM. So here the questions will be thrown to all of you in turns. Your duty is to answer the question. If the question involves calculation, you have 30 seconds within which to produce your answer. If it involves, or if it doesn't involve calculation, you have 10 seconds within which to produce your answer. You have only 1 attempt to produce your answer. If you are successful on your attempt to answer the question, you earn 3 points. However, I deem it appropriate to award the full point depending on how accurate you answer the question. I can give you a partial point depending on the accuracy of your response. So be aware of it and give as accurate response as possible to earn all your 4 points. All right. Here, if you attempt a question, your substantive question, and you are unsuccessful, it is rolled out as a bonus to the other 2 schools. Each of the 2 schools has the opportunity to answer, and in doing so, you need to ring your bell. So, we need to listen to the sound of your bells so that we can identify you by your sound. So, starting with Kingsbury International, let's hear the sound of your bell. Wonderful. Let's go to Allswell. Good. Peter Piper, let's go again. That's good. So we now know the sound of your bell. So if you ring the bell, just as you have been told, the technique, if you are to answer, press it and hold so that no other school can come in. Thank you. So to begin with it, I will start with Kingsbury International School, but this question comes with a common preamble to all schools. So I expect you to listen attentively. So when you get to your turn, you produce your answer. I read the preamble. An electronic technician is building a control board for a robot. a robot arm in a production line, why would she include the following devices in the circuit board? Or, basically, what is the function of the following in the circuit board? So, I expect a clear answer. If you don't give me clear answer, I will not give you the 4 points. So, starting with Kingsbury, yours is a capacitor.
To store electrical energy.
Is that all? All right. I'll give you 1 out of the 3. Yes. Phil Allswell, yours is a diode.
It directs it directs the flow of current.
I can't give you. Okay, you've been bailed out. All right. Let's get to Peter Piper's learning ways. Yours is an inductor.
To oppose sudden flow of electrical current in a circuit.
I'll give you 2 out of the 3. Yes. So, for Kingsbury, what I expected from you is that a capacitor primarily functions as an energy storage device and a filter, allowing alternating current to pass while blocking direct current. So that is what I expected you to give. For Phil Allswell, the diode function as a one-way valve for electrical current in a circuit, allowing flow in one direction. So that is what I expected from you, but blocking it in the opposite direction. So that's the 4th thing. For Peter Piper'S, an inductor is an electrical circuit which function is to oppose changes in current flow by storing energy in a magnetic field. So because you failed to add the last part of it, that is why you couldn't get a 4 point. All right. Let's go to the next set of questions, which also comes with a common preamble to all schools. And I read a preamble. Points of data are sampled as x, comma, x plus 2, and expression x plus 4. So x plus 2, x plus 4. If the mean of these numbers is 7, Kingsbury, determine the value of x.
X is 5.
That is correct for 3 points. Phil Allswell, what is the range for the sample data?
Two.
Speak up.
2.
No. It's a bonus.
4.
Because yes, no. Because you did not ring your bell, so I won't give you. But the answer is 4. So next time, ring your bell before. All right. So your major question, Peter Piper'S. What is the median of the sample data?
7.
That is correct for 3 points. back to Kingsbury. If 40% of a class represent the males in the class, and there are 80 students in the class, how many females are in the class? That is correct for 3 points. Phil Allswell. 40% of which number is 82? It's a bonus one. All right. Peter Piper'S, your major question. 1/5 of x is equal to 2, and 1/3 of y is equal to 4. What is the value of 2x minus y? It's a bonus one.
8.
Kingsbury.
8.
8, that is correct for a point. And that brings us to the end of the first round. Yes. In partnership with Ghana Education Service, Ghana Library Authority, Takoradi Airframe. And we have our sponsors, including Novos Coconut Drink, Yebitom Cereal, Test Best Drinking Water, Missionaries Academy, and Academic Hub. Yes, as we progress, I'll take time to give you what these individual institutions are into. Yes. So at the end of